So if you're looking for a thermometer for whether you have a pool, a spa, or you got a bathtub here that you fill with water and ice and you want an ice bath, this will definitely work for you. What I love about this, I've got one of these in my pool and I've had it in there for over a year and I love it because you can see it on both sides. Right now it's in Fahrenheit. Of course, you can easily change that to Celsius. There's a button right up underneath here. So when you press it, it's going to change it. That easy. And the temperature is going to go ahead and update every 5 seconds. It also has a solar panel right here. So that way what it's doing is recharging a battery that's located inside. So you don't have to buy any batteries. And it's going to go ahead and just keep it all recharged and lit up without any problem whatsoever. Of course, this is waterproof. It's all sealed through here. It's got a nice ABS plastic. So it's really heavy duty. And then what I love about it, when I put it in the water, right now it says it's at 77 and you can see here it's starting to drop. Now it's at 71. It's going to continually update and let me know what the temperature is. And what I would do is just keep adding ice into this until I get it to the right temperature. And that way, if you want to go ahead and lower it down to around in the 40s or 30s, which is super, super cool for an ice bath, this is definitely going to work for you. And that way it's always ready to go. Another good feature about this is that the screen is anti-fog. So whether it's on a hot day or a cold day, you're always going to be able to read that reading without any problem whatsoever. And it continually updates every 5 seconds. It's really heavy duty. I really like it. And like I said, I've been using mine for over a year and it works fantastic. Hope you found this review helpful.